Okay, I'm starting a new video of a 1975 Honda Goldwing, the first year for the Goldwing. And what I'm doing is took the original motor out, as you can tell. It sat for years with the carbs off. Fuel tank was rusted out. I mean, it had a lot of issues, so it's not worth restoring. So what I'm doing is I'm going to turn it into a bobber, and I'm going to also turn it into a diesel. Why, do you ask? Why not? Still trying to figure out a transmission setup for it, but that'll come along with time. As of right now, the motor looks like it'll fit right in there. Goldwing has a nice big squared out frame section. I was going to use a Harley, but this is actually much better, and the bike was free, which is even better yet. And I'd probably really tick off the Harley guys by doing what I am doing. So I'll keep everybody up to date as I go along with it. Next video will probably have the motor sitting in the frame, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.